a little more flooded than usual.
There's a river running over.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Alright, here's the entrance. Oh yeah, we're gonna get wet.
You know the place we're going. We stay dry. Are we the only ones crazy enough to come in here today?
There's another group.
And then step up here.
And here's pancake squeeze. Woo! Oh boy, it gets tight. I'm gonna have to take my bag off for this one.
GoPro footage.
Yeah.
I've only been this way one time and it's coming back.
We gotta make a perilous climb up. Yeah, it's
Don't go ahead, I gotta take the thing off.
I don't think this is the best way to do this.
No, maybe not. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that was a little better. Alright, now I make the perilous rope climb up. Sweet. You don't encounter any of this. This is so tight. Here, I'll get your bag for you. Yeah. There you go. One down. Yes. 2 to go. You don't want to know. Trust me. You don't want to know. Well,
you might be good.
it depends on how big your bag is.
I made it. Oh, did someone lose a glove?
Oh, that's mine.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, there's no
Last but not least, it's opening back up.
Yeah, I'll fit.
Wow.
Look at this, like a brimstone pool down there or something. All that water with that minerals in it has just formed a pool around it.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
Okay, I got it though. Boy.
Oh snap. My
Yeah.
bag's getting wet.
My bag's wet.
Everything's wet.
Yeah.
I wish I could. There's water being pushed back towards me.
Oh no, I'm sorry guys. This is bad, this is really bad.
I've never seen it this deep.
Here, I'll slosh them out. I made it a little bit better.
I'm kind of good for the warranty.
No, no.
Whoa.
This is too much.
Holy crap. Yeah, you kind of push a bunch of water when you come. Yeah, the worm tube's probably going to be a little bit worse, guys.
We don't have to lay down there.
That was insane. What have we gotten ourselves into? So here we are in the bridge room. I'm actually sitting on the bridge.
We were all confused last time when we popped up in here.
Yeah, we were on that side. Right where those ropes are.
Chase, I'm gonna throw this football down there.
Yeah, I can't really see of the bridge though.
I kept my bag on the right and it stayed dry.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, surprisingly.
Oh, there's a sharp rock in here. Careful of your kneecaps. I made it.
Yeah, that's what it looked like when I went through. It's a little deeper, actually. You gotta remember, when people are coming through, the water backs up here, so it does get deeper.
Yeah, so if you're in the
You
lead,
got nowhere to go, yeah.
if you're in the lead, it's gonna
You're
be a little
good.
better. Yeah.
Yeah, if you're in the last,
Better let the lead guy go first and then get all the way through before you try and get into there.
get the least experienced to go first. Coming out. So the
Coming
water,
out?
so water don't back up on them.
Okay, that's fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
I'll be last, I don't care.
Well,
I've done it before. I had to roll around sideways about 10 feet back to breathe.
Oh my god.
wow.
I don't know if we can get a bag back there.
Let me see your bag here. I'm gonna try.
You're gonna send
Might
it?
not want to. There might be dry passage all the way on the left. I'm not really sure.
It's kind of what I was hoping for.
You got enough energy? Where do you want it?
Oh no, I'm good.
Okay.
We doing this?
All right. So it does slide under that.
Holy crap, man, you got commitment.
Oh boy.
This man's got commitment here.
Grab the rope and pull.
I'm pulling.
Like you can just float through there, man.
Well, I wouldn't go that far.
Got a backpack. Alright.
Wait, what about your backpack?
I would not bring the backpack. It's wet. It's really, really, really wet.
Leaving of the belongings here.
So, I mean, we need to get married.
So to get that
We have to come back. This is the only way.
How much further? It's terrible, guys. A little bit.
Are you like fully submerged?
I'm not fully submerged. It's just my chesticles.
The freeway over there.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, now we're talking.
Oh my gosh. There was no extra room in here. No.
Oh my god.
That's an ear dipper. Turn that sideways.
Yeah.
Whee!
Yeah, you're getting some speed coming through here. You're fully in it now, Sarah. Here, keep going, Edward. Keep going.
Woo!
He's mad to win that. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
It starts to get drier right about here.
You know, and I'm actually comfortable right here.
Just leave you right here.
Just come back for me. Oh, Lord. Oh. That was good, though. I mean...
Alright, we're in the echo room now. This is the biggest room in the cave. I wish we had our inverter to light this thing up with our huge light on it.
Yeah, we'll come back.
Yeah, these lights aren't doing justice.
No, not even that.
It's so slippery. I know. I want to get to that tall portion. Whoa, foot.
King of the world.
Dude, it opens up huge over here.
Yeah.
Alright, we are heading back towards the worm tube. Getting out of the echo room.
I'm hanging. There he goes. Oh.
All right, here's where we get wet. This is the commitment part.
We might not back up too much. You know that mud don't taste too bad.
It really doesn't. It's a little gritty.
I didn't think we was going to do the worm scene.
I didn't think we were either.
I kind of didn't either, but once we got there, we had to
150-foot, you know, the air's a little fresher out here.
Is it warmer out there?
It's a little warmer.
Almost the exact same temperature.
It's pretty much the exact. Once the wind gets blowing, it'll be colder. Oh yeah, it's a little colder. Woo! Freedom and
I'm getting a lot
bugs.
of bugs right now.
Maybe I should turn my light off. That would help. They're all attracting towards me.
I don't know. I think it's the cave entrance.
Yeah, I know.
Chunk them up here.
Toss them up.
You can hit me, I don't care.
Yeah.
I'm too tired to do anything about it.
Yeah.